Hello, my name is Tim Forster. I work with Leggett Immobilier, and today I'm going to talk to you about a really spectacular chateau, which is probably about 18th, perhaps 19th century, maybe earlier still, in the Gardes Provençale area of France. The Gardes Provence is an area which is really called by many people, including me, Provence as it used to be. It's a delightful area, not overpopulated, but with all the facilities you could want, and some gorgeous cities and villages to visit. The chateau itself is classic. It's a substantial building. It's about 700 square meters. It has got the classic 4 towers, 2 square, 2 turreted with pointed tops, which is absolutely what you're looking for with the chateau. It sits in about 4 hectares of ground, nearly 3 round the chateau, and there's a small parcel of land slightly detached. The grounds go down into the valley which faces the chateau. There's woods and terraces as they descend into a very pretty valley, and all the rooms look over that view. You then come into the house, into a very large entry hall which goes the length of one wing of the chateau, off which are the main rooms. And on the ground floor there are 3 really good sized reception rooms, including the dining room in which I'm sitting, all which have big double doors opening out into the shady and lovely gardens. On the other side of the reception hall are the kitchens, and there are 2 of them. The first one you come into is a preparation room with marble tops, sinks, and a walk-in cold room. You go through then to the second kitchen, which is obviously the original, with a very large open fireplace, ideal for spit roasting. But it's got an enormous range cooker in there, really professional style cooker. So you go upstairs via stone steps, classically, to the first floor, and there are there 7 bedrooms total, 2 of which are ensuite master bedrooms, both opening onto a very large dressing room which has its own balcony overlooking the gardens again. On the top floor, and there are 3, is mostly bedrooms and a schoolroom for the little ones, fully fitted out with blackboards and desks and things like that, and a very large games room, come casino, come bar for the older ones. Outside, there is another building which is available for you. There is a grange, an old farmhouse of 280 square meters to be developed. Currently it's storage and workshops, but it would make an ideal facility if you were going to make a commercial venture out of it. It could make a hotel in its own right or wedding venue. It's centered around its own courtyard with a fountain. Two swimming pools in this property. One is 11 meters and it's set down on a terrace underneath the house in a charming spot with its own dressing rooms. It's got a lost edge to it and is a very calm and peaceful countryside setting. There is a second pool actually underneath the house in a vaulted room. It's 8 meters long and it's heated and used for exercise and whatever you might want. With 12 bedrooms and lots of living space, it's an ideal family house, perfect for a big family, an extended family, and that's what it's currently used for. However, it would make an excellent commercial venture, hotel, bed and breakfast, wedding venture, lots of possibilities in this really spectacular house. I love it. I hope you love it as much as I do. I think it's a great house. If you'd like to come and see it, or if you'd just like more information, please don't hesitate to contact me. You'll find all my details, all the details to contact me below. Thank you.